I have a shelf here with shelf labels installed. 2 black and white screen labels and 2 color shelf labels already connected. We created 2 of your items in the D365 demo. Both items are set up with multiple license plates since you told us you use them for all products. The second part of the setup is the cart. These are individual bins with indicator lights so they can move around the warehouse without being connected to a cart. If you want to use carts instead of smart bins, we can add labels on the cart too. I'll show both options. For the demo, I'll use 2 pickers. One picker will use my Android device and the other will be on the PC. When I share this screen, you'll see both apps side by side. I also have 2 cameras set up here. One shows a wide angle so you can see which light turns on. When we have a pick order, the other camera is close up, so I'll move it to each label to show screen changes. You'll see both camera views on the screen. So this is my demo setup. On the screen, this will be picker 1, this will be picker 2, and you'll see the wide angle view. Whenever a screen change is needed, I'll move the close-up camera to that location. That's how we'll run the demo.